Hello, this is Si Wing Yi from the Yi Real Estate Network. I'd like to go over this particular presentation. This is a first year projection numerical cash flow spreadsheet analysis on the growth resort. And this is one of the video modules that I will share with my investors. So, as many of you have done some fair amount of due diligence and research to look into the opportunity that we have in Orlando's Grove Resort and Spa vacation condo and condo hotel opportunity. I like to explain to you from a numerical analysis as a pure investment property performance. Now, I know you're getting a lot of potential amenities, and this is a sort of vacation type of real estate investment opportunity. But it's important for me to present this as an investment property based on all the projections. Again, this is just a projection. The past performance is no guarantee of future performance, but based on the research that was done by various resources, including the developer of this organization and other third-party research analysis, this is the best result that we can come up with. Again, the disclaimer is such that you need to, each investor, when they analyze this opportunity, it's important for you to determine your risk tolerance, just like any other investment, whether you are investing in CDs or money markets or bank checking accounts or savings account earning you less than 1%, or mutual funds, stock market, real estate investing. All of these type of investment have their own unique risk reward scenarios. So as a potential investor, I ask you to look at your own investment goals and objectives, and look at uh, look at other areas of your finances and determine your risk tolerance. And of course, at the end of the day, do your own research and due diligence, and consult your financial advisor, your tax advisor, or your legal advisor. Right? And this is just a educational presentation. This is just a projection. And but with that said, many of you have came to me after you look at this opportunity, and ultimately want to make an informed decision. And this is what I'm presenting in the next few minutes. It's just one aspect of this particular investment opportunity. So with that in mind, so just look at this as as a numerical analysis, as a return, as a ROI, return on investment, to determine whether this is right for you. Right? So without further ado, I took the liberty of using my propertytracker.com. It's a real estate software, and this is I picked one of the condos uh, on this Grove Resort. This particular square footage is 1,544 square foot, and the sales price at this particular moment is $309,900. And of course, if you can see the picture here, this resort, we are progressively. Some of the units already completed. Is going to enter the rental program November of 2016, so a few months away. And this picture was taken several weeks ago, and just from one of the units inside, taken from the look over the overhead to see, as you can see, a nice view of the lake next to this resort. So very exciting opportunity. Anyway, so continue with this, and this is a purchase price. This is a 4-star, brand new construction, luxury condo hotel. 4-star, I think, right? So which is amazing. And this is the initial purchase price as of right now, $309,900, and the down payment is, we have a special financing. You cannot go to your regular bank to get investment loan. We have some in-house lenders available, And of course, you can contact myself or my team members to obtain the name of the lender. Uh, Suffice to say, the minimal down payment is 30%. Okay, and the interest rate, if you buy down the rate, you could get it as little as 5% interest rate on a 30-year mortgage. So 30% minimum down if you do financing, right? Is your down payment is 92,970. By the way, this particular condo project, if you wish to purchase with your self-directed IRA, for right now, you have to purchase at full price. There are no non-recourse loans available on this brand new construction condo hotel. So bear in mind, perhaps within a year, after 1 year of seasoning on this particular condo hotel on this Grove project, then the non-recourse lender may review the underwriting of this project, and they may allow a non-recourse loan to leverage your IRA. If you know what I'm talking about, right? For those of you understand the self-directed IRA, you know it'd be ideal to use a non-recourse loan to leverage your 40 to 50% IRA down payment with another 40 50% of a mortgage through the non-recourse lending inside the IRA. All right. With that said, well, with the additional cost, so basically, the initial down payment is around, including closing costs, around $95,000 or slightly more. So again, this kind of investment is not everybody have this amount of money, 100 grand cash. But for those of you that are savvy investors who are smart, who understand this type of investment, and then you again do your own due diligence and research. So not everybody have this amount of money, but that's how it is, right? It's you got to be pretty affluent a little bit to have the available financial resources and some reserve to potentially diversify into this type of vacation condo hotel. But the benefit are very very exciting as well. All right. So and then as we go down the numbers, you can see over here on the right hand side there's a 70% loan to value. The loan will be 216,000. So your monthly mortgage is 1,164. Okay, bear that in mind. And your gross rent is 9,270. That means this 3-bedroom, 3-bath unit is very luxurious, 1,544 square foot. Okay, this is amazing. Nowhere in the Orlando Disney World area where this property is located, 1,544 square foot is the daily rate for our customer is around $300. Come on, think about this. Where else in Disney World or any other resort in other part of Florida, Miami or other Palm beach, wherever, those luxury high-end condos with this kind of square footage, with this kind of amenities that we have here at the Grove Resort, where you can only charge $300 per night. I mean, if you look at comparable square footage based on this, apple to apple comparison with other condo hotel resorts with the daily rates of the square footage, this projected rate is only $300 for such a large size luxury condo. The other comparable condo hotels in Miami or other areas, or even in Las Vegas or other part of the world, they will charge way more than $300 per night. They will charge like almost double, $600, $700 per night. So that means our projection, in my opinion, are very, very conservative. When the actual rental program are put in place in the next few years, hey, I would not be surprised if the rental daily rates are higher than the projection here, as I see here, based on the monthly rate right here. Gross rate is 9,270, and the vacancy loss is 2,039. We are using a benchmark of 78% occupancy rate. Again, this is based on past research of this type of unit, of this type of amenities, of this type of condo hotel in the Disney World Orlando area. So 78% occupancy rate, calculated throughout the 12 months, the whole year, is pretty realistic and pretty little bit conservative estimation as well, right? So if you look at the monthly expenses of ownership on this particular unit, $500 per month on taxes, and insurance around $84. The property management, they will get 45% of the gross rent, which is $32.54. Again, this is the property management benchmark. They are one of the top-notch hospitality management company in the world. Very reputable, very prestigious. They will do all the property management. You, as an owner, is a hands-off. You do nothing. You just sit back, relax, and receive a monthly paycheck to your mailbox. So in HOA fees around $645. So total operating expenses monthly $46.13. Net operating income is $26.18, right? And then minus your mortgage $1,165, which is your 30% down payment, right? You can see right here. So your net monthly cash flow per month is $1,453. So what does all this mean? If you look at from a pure investment perspective, okay, if you look at the cap rate is projected to be 10.1%. Now, if you have not learned from my other video educational training that I provided for you recently, anytime you have a cap rate of double digit for any investment rental properties of any asset type is very attractive, because the benchmark capitalization rate is around on a historical basis around 6%. This is 10%. So that means this cash flow, $1,453 net monthly, is potentially very attractive. Then cash on cash return. Again, the minimal benchmark for reasonable investment of any type in real estate is around 8 to 9% cash on cash return. In this instance, is 18%. So again, this kind of hotel projected in terms of numbers to be attractive. And finally, total return on investment, 34%. This is a very critical number as well. Okay, what the total return on investment 30% means is that you calculate your annual net cash flow. Okay, monthly net is $1,453 times 12 months is $17,440. This is your annual net cash flow for the year. Then we projected 4% appreciation, which is pretty realistic of this particular unit. So 4% appreciation multiplied by the purchase price of $309 equal first year appreciation annually $12,396. So first year projected annual appreciation at a mere 4% plus an annual net cash flow $17,440 equals gross equity income of $33,036 divided by your down payment of $95,970 equal total return on investment of 34%. So this 34% is a very important number to understand. This is the return of your money. Where else? What other type of asset class, including any type of asset class, mutual funds, money markets, gold, or whatever out there, can beat this type of potential total return on your investment? All right. So the three numerical formulas that I've been teaching my investors, my members, is you look at the cap rate, you look at the cash on cash return, you look at the total ROI. If all three of this numerical benchmark have exceeded double digit, then it is considered a good investment. All right. So hopefully this helps, because many of you have been asking me about how do you determine the return on your money on this Grove Resort and Spa, condo, hotel, vacation hotel opportunity. Well, here are the numbers, right? These are very definitive, very conclusive. The projection is pretty nice. So, all right. So go ahead and do your other diligence that we have provided for you, including all the amenities and all the other areas of this opportunity. Then, of course, then you make your own decision, make an informed decision whether this type of property is a good fit for you. All right. Thank you so much for listening. And this is Si Wing Yi from the Yi Real Estate Network. And you can, of course, you can always contact me. My number is 510-552-0726, which is my cell phone and my text as well. And you can email me at siwingyi@siwingyi7rs.com. Thank you so much for listening and look forward to helping you to achieve your goals. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.